The Granime 3 is going to be a big game changer for the whole lighting industry. Give me just 20 seconds and I'll show you why. Hey guys, and welcome to Lacave Inside. In this short episode I want to show you a really great feature of Granime 3. So the version 1.4 and upwards, it is really worth that you will have a look into it. It is a big game changer. Really, trust me. So for now I want to show you this example. Imagine you've got a fully programmed show, a lot of songs or a live show with, in that case, any amount of fixtures, and you come to a new stage and you need to adapt to another stage, to another fixtures. Maybe you have larger trusses or more trusses or whatever, and this feature really allows you to do it by just 2 steps. It's really quick, it's great. So let me show you. For this example, I've got here basically a main look with 6 Sharpies, and then I've got here some shutter bumps like this or like this. For example, a color bump, of course some effects for dimming, and even a fly out. So imagine this is our full programmed show. We have 20 songs, we have 30 banks, we have a lot of things going on, and we come to a new stage and we need to adapt our lighting design to this new stage. I want to show you how you can achieve this in a really good way. Let's jump in to the Granime 3 on PC. We take a new truss. In this case, it's all our lights arranged here in the grid, and we simply hit Store, Truss, Overwrite. Then we clear it, and now here comes the magic. We just press MA plus update. This is cook, and then our page, in this case page 3. So let's jump right in here. Cook, page 3. Please, we say overwrite, and that's all. Let's have a look how it looks like. We have dimmer bumps, all perfectly in an order with wings, groups. We have here our dimmer effects, perfectly aligned. Our color bump is working as well. Again, perfectly aligned. And last but not least, a fly out working. As you can see, that was very quick. I've done everything with recipes, and I want to show you a quick example how I did this. So let's jump right into the Granime on PC. I want to first stop our running effects and phasers. So for example, we want to have a small color bump. First of all, we need to create a sequence, an executor with 2 cues. One, for example, color red and one color white. For this, I'm going to hit Store, Executor, created Q1. Again, Store and hit the executor. And then I say create second cue. Now let's jump right into the executor. In this case, I press Edit and then the Executor button. Here we have our 2 cues, and below we have the new function called recipes. If you can't see it, jump here into the mask and say show recipes. Now we create the first recipe for our first queue. We select the group. In that case, I've used the group 52. So again, add it to the Executor button, group 52. Then preset, in that case, we would like red. Now we can set a delay. So delay from X, starting by 0, and delay 2 up to, let's say, 3 seconds. Okay, let's have a look what it does. Off Executor and start it. And we can see we have now created a delay over all our lights from 0 to 1. We can of course change this behavior with a wing. So for example, we choose a wing of 2. And let's have a look again. Now we are using that one by 2 wings. Edit, Executor again. Now we create a new recipe for Q2. In that case, we want to switch to white again. So we're selecting group 52, the preset white, delay from 0 to, let's say, 1 second, wings of 2, and that's all. Let's have a look. In the next queue, it's going to white again. So red and white. This is the first step we need to do to add a recipe. And here is the cool thing which we can do. If we now want to change something, then we head over to our groups. Let's say we only want to do the truss up stage in this case. Then I select them, store, truss 52, say overwrite. Let's hit clear 3 times just to make sure. Let's select this truss. Now you can see I've only selected the 8 lights above. So these are currently these here. Let's move them a little bit. So these are these here. To check this out, if it's working, let's hit this button again. And now you can see it's not working right now because I didn't cook it. So it's really important that if you do any changes, for example on these groups, then you need to re-cook the Executor again. So how to do that? Simply press MA and update, and now you get the cook command. Press the Executor and let's say overwrite. If we have a look again now to our Executor, now it's working as expected. So the recipes in Granime 3 version 1.4 are definitely a game changer. I think we all can't imagine right now what we really can do with that. I recommend you to play, check this out, and have fun with the new feature called recipes. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.